Top affiliate marketing products to promote in 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing and discussing the top products to promote in 2023. Let's jump right in. With the increasing focus on self-care, products like supplements, fitness equipment, skincare items, from smartphones to smartwatches, technology products continue to capture the imagination of consumers. Promoting online courses and tutorials can provide tremendous value to your audience while earning you commissions. Fashion and beauty products, including clothing, accessories, and grooming items, have a dedicated following. Smart home devices and innovative kitchen gadgets are catching the eye of homeowners. By promoting budgeting apps and investment platforms, you can help your audience make informed decisions. From pet food to grooming products, the pet supplies market is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Promote eco-friendly alternatives like reusable items and eco-conscious home goods. Connect with enthusiasts by promoting DIY kits and crafting supplies. Baby care items and parenting guides are essentials for new parents. With travel on the rise again, luggage and travel gear are must-haves for wanderlust-driven consumers. These are the top affiliate marketing product categories to consider promoting in 2023. Stay updated with the latest trends and understand your target audience for success. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliate marketing!